This white thermal blanket by R&R Value is ideal for various settings including hospitality, home, travel, or healthcare. Wrap up in the cozy and warm soft fabric blanket and begin your relaxation. The blanket features a lennox weave with a breathable design for long-term comfortability. Easy care machine wash and dry for a quick and simple cleaning, made from 100% cotton for premier softness. Available in beige, blue, rose, white colors. This white thermal blanket measures 66x90, weighs 2.5 pounds, and is twin-sized. Top reviews from the United States. Definitely ordering again. Amazing quality product. My mom is disabled and these are perfect to keep her warm without being too heavy to move it on her own. Highly recommend this blanket if you want lightweight warmth that won't fall apart in the washer. A little rough before first wash, but was solved with a little fabric softener and good dryer sheets.